Okay, so I was just riding around and I stumbled on this. An old Trane XR13. Very rare find for me. It's a compressor blanket, but I heard this thing running. It does have an Alliance scroll. Not a heat pump, dang it. It's from April of 2006. Nice unit. And that has not been running. Look at that line set though. This has got to be at least like a 5-ton or a 6-ton. I don't know. But look at the line set. Alright, just wanted to stumble on that. Take a quick video about that. Alright, thanks for watching.